here we are. Thousand Oaks Chili Cook-Off 2024. Somebody scratches my car, I'll kill him.
He supports my shenanigans on YouTube, so I try to support his. He is a car fanatic. This dude works on cars for a living, comes home, watches car shows, and then on weekends he goes to car shows. Cars on the brain. Can you tell us a little bit about your car, sir?
1970 Plymouth Satellite wagon, originally a big block car, now a small block car. Many body modifications, custom interior.
Just chilling. The car show is over. Peace.